Right now, companies pay billions for software you can get for free. These 10 open source apps replace the tools you pay for monthly. Same features, zero cost, and you own your data. And number 1, you're probably paying for it right now. Number 10, Postman, the API tool 30 million developers use. Now it's buried under logins and paid plans. The free replacement, Hoppscotch. Open your browser, fire a request, get the response. No account. Same job, faster, free, 64,000 stars. Number 9, Calendly, $12 a month just to book meetings. Cal.com does all of it, free and open source. Pick a slot. It's booked, your data, your branding. Number 8, Loom, screen recording, with a watermark and a limit. Cap is free, open source, and honestly prettier. AutoZoom, clean exports, no limits. Number 7, 1Password, $36 a year to hold your logins. Bitwarden does the same, audited, open source, free for life. Your whole vault, encrypted, costing nothing. Number 6, Airtable, spreadsheets as a database, expensive per seat. NocoDB turns any database into the same grid, free. Add a row, switch to Kanban, own everything. Number 5, Slack, that hides your history unless you pay. Mattermost is the open source version company's self-host. Same channels, threads, and calls, on your own server. Number 4, Jira, powerful, build per user, loved by nobody. Plane is the open source rebuild that's actually pleasant. Drag a task, plan a sprint, clean, fast, free. Number 3, Zapier connects your apps till the bill explodes. N8N does it on a gorgeous visual canvas, free to self-host. Drag nodes, connect them, run unlimited automations. Number 2, Figma, the design tool everyone switched to, then the price hikes hit. Penpot is the free, open source rival, and it's genuinely good. Real design, real prototyping, your files forever. Number 1, Notion, your second brain, now $10 a month on their servers. AppFlowy is the open source twin, same blocks, same vibe, but it runs on your machine. Free, private, yours. 10 apps, billions in software, replaced, for free. Open source isn't the cheap option anymore. It's often the better one. Which are you installing first? Comment it. Follow for the tech that actually saves you money.